Hello to my analytical math students. This is your instructor, Mrs. Thomas, and I wanted to make sure you can see the assignment well, as well as the homework that we're going to do. So now that we're doing a little bit of analytical math, I want to focus in on stem and leaf plots. So how you would read a stem and leaf plot before we get to answering the questions is you have your stem. This is going to be how the beginning, of course, you had a tree. Okay, and then of course you had leaves. So you got your stem, okay, on the leaf. Then this could be read as 136. Okay. So the next one is read as 141 twice, 144, 146. Okay, fairly easy. I know you can get it. The next one is 15 and then add the 3. So 153, 158. The next set is 165, 168. And notice that with my stem and leaf, they are already from least to greatest. My next stem and leaf, so 172. This denotes 173, 176. The next set is 180, 186, 187. Okay. Well, Miss Thomas, well, how would I denote this? How would I write that down? Is that 190? Well, if the stem is 19 and you don't have a stem, you definitely have 190. Okay. The next one is 205. The next one is 211, 218. And the last set is 220, 222, 226, and 228. Okay, so far so good. I think you guys could have got this anyway. Okay, so here, determine the minimum value. I want you to determine the minimum value, the maximum value. So the minimum value is 136. The maximum value is 228. If I subtract the 2, let me get my calculator. If I subtract the 2, which will be equivalent to my range, it will be 228 minus 136. So that will be 92. Okay. On number 2, determine the count, median, mode, and mean of the data. Round the mean to one decimal place if necessary. So we already know what the count is. So I want you to count how many, the stem and leaf plot. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that right? Is that right? No. Okay. So I want you to be able to look at it for yourself and determine, is Miss Thomas trying to pull my leg? Is she just counting out of the air? Okay, so let's go back. This is one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Go back and double check that for me. 23 total. Okay, that's important to know when you're doing your stem and leaf. So if I counted it up and I counted 23. Okay, my median is the number that is in the middle. Okay, number that's in the middle. So if you need to, you can line them up across here, from here all the way to 228. Okay, I want you to line them up. Okay, and cross out, or you can cross them out from here. Okay, you agree? Good. Where am I going with this? Good, right here. Good. Okay, where am I going? Good, right here. Where am I going? 168, very good. Am I going to the 187? Yes, you are. So you have to know where you're going with it. Okay, so you'll know exactly what you are canceling out. So what I have in the middle is 176. Once I cross it all out, I had that number left in the middle. The mode, which number occurs the most? This occurs twice. This occurs twice. Oh, no. 220. 220. Well, that means 141 occurs the most. Okay. Go back and double check, man. Make sure. Okay. And the mean. Now, I want you to add all of these numbers up. I won't spill the beans. But if you go 136 plus 141 plus, let me do that again, 136 plus 141 plus 141 again, plus 144 plus 146 plus 153 plus 158 plus 165 plus 168 plus 172 plus 173 plus 176 plus 180 plus 186 plus 187 plus 190 plus 205 plus 211 plus 218 plus 220 plus 222 plus 226 plus 228. Okay, so I have a total of 4,146 as my mean. And what do I need to divide by? What is my total? 23. I think that's what you told me earlier. 23 divided by 23, and that gives me 180 point. Look at that. Will we round up? Definitely. Okay, to 0.3. How many values are greater than 190? Greater than, not 190, greater than 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're going to count that. How many values are less than 151? Less than 151. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so hopefully you got an understanding about your stem and leaf plot. And I want you to do the next stem and leaf plot and give me the answers.